We started the channel on Cakewalk, which was a Catalina 42.
Love that boat. Still kind of miss her. But that was back in the days when we weren't living on a boat. And do you remember we actually had jobs and a house?
And now we have Isabella.
And that's all we have because we sold our house, we quit our jobs, and here we are. And gotta say, no regrets. All tortoises are turtles, but not all turtles are tortoises. This guy's about 15 years old. As Steve Miller says, I want to fly like an eagle. This guy kind of creeps me out. Spiders. This little guy's active during the day, not like his nocturnal cousins. He's so cute. He's a little bit smaller than most raccoons, and they are very much a key resident. Oh, I really love pelicans. We set this guy free, and the fish were so hungry, and they're so colorful. Orange and blue and very fast moving. Found a comfy chair. And this place, I don't know, looks like Mars.
Someone had previously painted over the African mahogany with the white, and we tend to prefer the natural wood look, so we're stripping it off. We're using a chemical stripper.
I could take another swipe, I don't know. What do you think?
Looks good. I'd say if it's hard, put another coat on it.
It's not real hard.
Look at that beautiful wood underneath this white paint.
I really like how this stripper makes this so easy.
Yeah, it's a lot better than the heat gun. But, you know, it's my own opinion, but it's hard to believe that someone would paint over this beautiful looking wood.
I have to agree, but you know what, baby? To each their own.
I think the natural wood looks a lot better than white latex. Karen's still stripping it off.
The paint, my dear.
And I like it when she strips. I want it all off, baby.
I'm taking it off.
Yeah, I want it to be naked.
This is going to look so much better. Almost have all of it off. And now we're adding some polyurethane. The finishing touches.
Karen is still detailing this hull. The white paint that was on here, it just went everywhere, every little nook and cranny. But it's looking pretty good. Is that is that a crown of shamrocks?
Yeah. You know I'm Scotch Irish.
I like it.
Thank you.
Hey, little bunny.
Yes. I was hopping to see some dolphins.
Funny.
I'm a funny bunny.
If I throw you something, will you flash me?
Throw me something, mister.
I like that. Where's the flash coming?
Well, put your camera away. This is our dinghy air conditioning. What do you think?
I like it. Can I get into this game too?
Sure you can. Very Irish. It's game time, baby.
Oh, can't throw a frisbee in a dinghy.
Yeah, you can. You just have to throw it real low.
I like it down low, baby.
I know you do.
So all that work was because we were missing this little pin on these Goiot ports. Pin is $69 plus shipping, so I took a bolt, cut it off, drilled a hole in it. So now we have the extra knob on this port. It's in the galley. We bought this wok and it actually fits on this Force 10 3-burner stove. We weren't sure, but it's stainless. Came with the top.
Next, we have some eggs. Fry them up with the
Let's
onions.
add some rice, baby.
Added some rice. Put in some low sodium soy sauce. And I'm amazed with your skills with the, in particular, I'm thinking about the Goiot pin and how you fashioned your own little pin there so that we could put the extra knob on. That was pretty amazing. I'm just gonna say.
You're so kind, baby. I can't believe it.
I'm just truthful.
You know,
So that was amazing. And we don't always show everything we do on Isabella. One thing that comes to mind is you built a shelf for my shoes. We didn't show you all that.
A shoe shelf.
A shoe shelf. Say that 10 times.
Right. We've been using the back companionway, aft companionway stairs, I guess, for a shoe rack.
Which worked okay, but they did tend to fall off at times. So now I have a nice rack in the cabin, and Isabella's looking pretty good, baby. She's ready to go.
I like that.
Yeah. And took some time out this past week or so to enjoy the wildlife and
How about that turtle?
oh yeah.
How about that butterfly?
Yeah.
How about that pelican?
Yeah.
How about that raccoon?
Yeah.
How about those fish?
Yeah. And the dolphins. So I will say, we were out in the dinghy having a good time, and the dolphins were like right there. I mean, you could touch them.
Right.
But by the time we got able to film them, they're gone. So, dang dolphins. So, need to say a shout out to some people. We met some people in the grocery store the other day, and we actually did a shout out to them in our description. But we need to do a shout out to them. Perry and Debbie, I believe they were from Canada, and they were nice enough to say hello when we were grocery shopping. So we always love running into folks and love talking to people in person. It's nice.
And then I was in the grocery store on another day and ran into Jack, who
Yes.
recognized our channel.
So I'll say hi to Jack because I wasn't there. But yeah, always nice. And want to really say a huge thank you to all our subscribers. You all are awesome, and I love reading your comments and things. I don't always answer all of them, so I'm sorry about that, but I do want you to know that we love hearing from y'all, whether it's on the channel through a comment or whether we run into you all in person. Y'all are awesome.
I'm not going to blow a kiss, but a handshake.